I have an MKZ Lincoln 2013. There's a known problem where the fan goes nuts in these things. It's my wife's car, and you can see that console there in the center. I went online. Actually, AI is very good, trying to figure out why that fan was going nuts. And since this is a 2013, there were several videos and so forth about this. And AI actually said there was some sort of a dealer recall or a manufacturer's recall on this for software updates. That's the first thing we did. That was 125 plus tax. That didn't do a bit of good. Then there was this part that sits down on the fan. That's supposed to be one of the problems. Bought one of those. That didn't do a bit of good. That was another $40 wasted. Then I thought, what else could I do? And I saw this video just the other day, and they said, well, this little orange plug here, you take that out, and that'll fix it. So literally learned how to take this thing out of the car, and I unplugged that. That didn't help a bit. And so I had already purchased one of these, but as you can see, the buttons on it were horrible. And I thought, I can't put that one in because the buttons are bad. But as you can see, it's it's a unique piece that's easy to take in and out. There's 3 bolts here, and if you've got a good one in your car like I did, you can just take those 3 screws out with the hex nuts and replace it. So before I stop here, I just want to show you something that's important. On the back side of this, it'll tell you the date it was manufactured. Now this is the old one, so you'll notice it's 5/15/13, so 2013. The one I found on eBay, and there were more than one, was like 2015. And the 2015, which I now have installed, and which, by the way, fixed the problem, works. And there doesn't seem to be any fan problem. The reason I'm making this video is because a lot of you don't know if you have to flash these. You know, does the car start after you replace it and so forth? Well, you don't. You can just put it in and it works. And so I'm happy to say that the fan, as far as I know, isn't gonna create a problem for my wife anymore. And this is the reason I put this up. So good luck. And if you have this problem, just get a used one, stick it in. I did it in 30 minutes. 30 minutes is all it took.